Welcome back, guys. Let's explore the top 3 magnetic car phone mounts to keep your phone secure and accessible. Number 3. Wix Gear. Upgrade your car's interior with the stylish and functional Wix Gear Universal Magnetic Stick-on Mount. Experience ultimate convenience and security for your phone with the Wix Gear Magnetic Car Mount. Adjust your phone to any angle for optimal viewing, all while the mount stays securely on your dash. Featuring 3D silicone adhesive for effortless phone mounting, with universal compatibility that opens a world of possibilities which easily fits on curved or flat dashboard. This sleek mount uses strong magnets to securely hold your phone within reach, perfect for hands-free navigation and calls. Includes 4 metal plates and 2 3M adhesives to strongly attach to your dashboard. This Wix Gear magnetic car mount stick on magnetic phone holder will securely hold your phone while driving even on bumpy roads with adjustable display, even when your phone gets hot. With a strong user rating on Amazon, the Wix Gear magnetic car mount is a popular selection. Number 2. Introducing the all-new Miracase Universal Phone Holder Upgrades. This second-generation Miracase Universal Phone Holder design features strong magnets and a secure vent clip to keep your phone within easy reach while driving. Its simple installation, one-handed operation, and unobstructed airflow design make it the perfect choice for any driver. This magnetic phone holder for dashboards does not block your air vent. Miracase magnetic phone car mount comes with extremely strong N52 rubidium magnets. Strong magnet suction power makes it can hold big phones steadily. The super flexible 360-degree rotatable head gives you the best viewing angle. Strong 4.3-star rating on Amazon means the Miracase Universal Magnetic Phone Holder is a popular selection for drivers. Number 1. Apps 2 Car, a versatile phone holder that works anywhere. In the box, you'll receive the suction magnet mount, magnetic piece, 1 dashboard pad, 3 metal plates, protective films, and 2 cleansing wipes. Adjust the locking mechanism to your preferred height. Then take that magnetic piece, unscrew the back cover, and place it over the ball joint. Gently push the ball joint onto the bracket and tighten the screw. This ball joint is rotatable, and head feely adjustment always keep phone at better view. To make sure it's secure, flip it over and remove the protective film. And if you need the extended range, it's not a problem. Its maximum length is 6.29 inches and minimum length is 4.6 inches. You want to make sure your surface is clean before placing the suction. All instructions are given in the manual. Please follow them carefully. For textured surfaces, use the dashboard pad, place the suction cup down on the clean surface, and lock the mechanism. Securely hold your cell phone in place on the dash or windshield with the heaviest smartphones. These utilize gravity to hold your phone in place. It has innovative ball joint construction, allows you to adjust 360 degrees. Suction cup is designed washable and reusable. You can place the adhesive plate onto your phone, or you can put it in between your phone case. This patented industrial strength suction cup base provides a strong, secure hold power on the dashboards, windshields, countertops, desks, tables, and other surfaces. With a 4.5-star rating, this magnetic phone holder width is definitely worth considering for purchase. Thanks for watching. What would you like to see next? Leave a comment below, I'll make the video on it.